Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. So today we are going to be diving into the Carli Bybel Deluxe Edition palette. Just looked into that freaking viewfinder again, I'm so sorry. I don't really have much more to say except I got this off Glam Radar. I don't have much more to say, but I'm gonna keep talking. I got this off Glam Radar and they do quite a bit of BH cosmetics. So this is what the palette looks like. If I tilt it this way, it's just going to be so bright, so I have to tilt it like this so you guys can see it. We've got some, this one here is a white one, this one's like a pink champagne colour, okay? So it is quite bright on the camera. I have to put the fan on because it is really hot, and we'll just jump into the video. Don't know, mainly the highlight of the video is using this palette, otherwise just my regular makeup. Let's do it. Okay, so I primed my eyelids with my MAC Soft Ochre Paint Pot and just set my eyes down. Sorry, it's really bright. So ducking into the Carli Bybel Deluxe Edition. I'm going to start with this one here and then move on to that brown right there. So I'm going to start with this one and then move to that one. I'm going to take that brown middle shade that I said at the start. I'm then going to take this brown here. It's all about getting dimension in your crease first, so you have like 3 layers. Because you want the top just under your eyebrow to be like really light and then just get heavier so it looks like you've got dimension in your crease. And I say that, and sometimes it doesn't even look like I've done it. It's just trying to get it work. It's all trial and error. There's no error in makeup actually, it's all just trial. I probably do stuff that really annoys people on my makeup, like sometimes I can't blend for shit. Just going to take my first blending brush with that second brown colour we use, this one here, and just blend. Then I want to use this pink, this shimmer, so I'm going to do that. So what I'm going to do is I'm actually going to grab this middle cool tone sort of purple and just work that on my crease and outer third, and then I'll darken it up again. So pack, blend, pack, blend, pack, blend. It's a long process. I'm then going to take the tiniest bit of this purple colour and place that on my outer third. I'm then going to take this pink colour, I'm going to try it on my finger first and then use a brush just to clean it up. I'm going to leave my eyes alone for now and work on the base. So I'm going to be taking my Wanderlush by Ofra and using this as my primer slash moisturiser. I like use this sparingly. Here I am with like 4 dots on my face. So I think it's discontinued. And I really like it. So, because it gets quite tacky. My foundation today while my moisturiser is sinking into my skin is the Lumi Magique, and I am using the shade D/W3 in beige, in gold linen. So what I have been doing my foundation lately in my past 2 videos is using a foundation brush just to put it on my face and using a beauty sponge just to blend into my skin. Oh no! I'll fix that. Then I'm just going to take some on my hand and then dip that into my sponge and work my magic. Just taking my ChiChi sponge. Right, I'm just going to do my eyebrows off camera, and the products I am using are my Rimmel Brow This Way and my Highbrow by Benefit and the L'Oreal Brow Plumper. I will be back with my brows on. Anyway, I'm going to do my concealer under my under eye now. I'm going to take my Rimmel Wake Me Up in Ivory. It's quite light. I need to brighten up. And just going to take my sponge again. To set my concealer in place, I'm going to take the L'Oreal, Take the Laura Mercier Secret Brightening Powder. And I'm going to set the rest of my face with my Revlon Colour Stay. This powder in Honey Beige. I don't know what it's called. This is what it looks like. Right, for my lower lash line, I'm going to take this colour here mixed with this purple here. And for inner corner highlight, I'm going to take in this pink colour here. I'm going to curl my lashes. I probably won't put false eyelashes on for a change. And of course, taking my Maybelline Colossal Big Shot, just my favourite mascara at the moment. Just to open up my waterline, I'm going to take this NYX Wonder Pencil, which is a nude, and do this off camera because I cannot do this on camera. For bronzer today, I actually have this Benefit Cheekathon, and I'm going to be take Hoola to contour, and then I'm going to take, see, Dallas on camera looks pink. In person, it looks brown, but a pink. I'm just going to contour with Hoola. Look at that glow from that foundation. For blush, staying in the Cheekathon palette, I'm going to take, Coralista, this colour. I'm going to leave this one alone and go back to the Carli Bybel palette. Just blind you guys. I'm just going to take a little bit of this colour just to bronze up my cheeks. And for highlight today, I'm going to take this colour right here. I was going to take that gold one, but I thought no. Gonna set my face with the Skindinavia, the makeup, no, that's the primer spray. The makeup finishing spray. Oops. So I'm gonna take the makeup finishing spray to set my face. And for lips for Christmas, I got this Napoleon Perdis lip set. It has got Signature Lip Gloss Collection. There is, I'm pretty sure there's a couple of mattes in here. They say lip gloss, but I'm pretty sure there's some mattes in here. So this is what it looks like here. They look gorgeous. I think I'm going to go with a nude, something new. I'm going to take this I Want More shade. I was about to dip my lip gloss into my eyeshadow. Could have been quite disastrous. A bit too nudie. I might need to pop a lip gloss on top. Going to take Oh My Gloss in Glossaholic from Rimmel. Didn't change anything, did it? Okay everyone, so this is the finished makeup look. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. I really liked that palette. I looked into the viewfinder to see what I look like. I'm sorry I didn't do false eyelashes. I just wanted to keep it simple. That nude looks different. Not too sure about that. But anyway, I hope you enjoyed this video. Please don't forget to like, subscribe, and leave me a comment before you leave. And I will see you in my next video. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. Bye!